And I used to work for in the carrier world, and when I was in the carrier world, we always said handset is king, or device is king. And I think that's really starting to change and evolve a bit, and I would say to you today, actually, smartphone is king. And some of the stats that we're seeing are starting to really play that out. In 2008, according to Informa, about 15% of devices shipped were smartphones. Now Informa is predicting that by 2013, close to 40% of devices being shipped by handset manufacturers are going to be smartphones. And I've also seen a couple of reports that are projecting out after 2015 that all devices that are going to be shipped are going to be smartphones. So in that regard, we're seeing the evolution continue. And we're also seeing greater and greater take-up of 3G. ABI research has predicted that over the next few years, close to 45–50% of the world will be on 3G. So that all spells really, really great news in terms of how mobile and the internet are going to be coming together. So with that, what we're also seeing is saying is, look, apps drive innovation and revenue, and that's really important. So if the internet is now app-centric, the mobile internet is even more so. So software will really be the driver of both device and data plans in terms of the customer purchase. And so the innovation driver for revenue and for next generation networks will also be. And we also see, and I think many of you are aware, third-party app developers are really now becoming so much more critical in terms of this whole ecosystem that's emerging. We've already seen this with the incredible success of mobile, on mobile, of apps like Facebook. And again, ABI research is saying, look, by 2014, this market could be as large as $70 billion. And apps are really what a key part of what will drive this. So an exciting future on the horizon for us, and we're really in this stage of either we're going to take it, we're going to grasp it and run with it, or we're not. And I think at Skype, we'd really like to run with it and see where this can go. So just talking a little bit about Skype, just to put this in context of where are we going with mobile, what has been the experience to date like? Well, if you look at what's happened with the iPhone app on Skype, it's been downloaded to over 15% of iPhones and iPod Touch devices worldwide, which is just over 12 million to date. So certainly a lot of interest and a lot of demand for a Skype experience on the iPhone. But the interesting thing from where I sit is it's not just about the volume. I mean, the volume is clearly important because it's an indicator of the customer demand that's out there, but it's about the people who use Skype on their iPhones. They spend more and they stay longer than those who only use Skype just on the desktop. So again, adding the mobile experience, having the desktop experience, bringing them together is great for Skype, it's great for iPhone, and it's what customers want. It's an experience that they value. Now here at CeBIT, yesterday we made an announcement about Skype for Symbian and being able to offer Skype on over 200 million devices worldwide. Most of those are going to be Nokia handsets, and we're now making the Skype application available through the Ovi store. It's only been a short amount of time, but already the take-up has been quite phenomenal. Again, there's a huge demand for customers to have an experience like Skype on their mobiles. In addition to the actual app experience, we've done some other things with respect to the mobile arena. We work closely with handset manufacturers like Nokia, and a couple months ago we introduced the N900, where Skype was deeply integrated into the address book. So when the customer goes into their contact details, they open up their address book, they can make a call, they can send a text, or they can make a Skype call or send a Skype